The latest announcement, well, I really cannot actually say the latest, but the Atlassian dashboards for home have been announced at 25. Maybe I missed this part, but I was not really familiar with this. So what actually this is? Yes, I'm going to read from here because this is the upcoming change. This is not the showcase of the product. So it's saying while business intelligence and analytics solutions provide organization-wide visibility, individuals and teams still need reporting tools to simplify everyday reporting on goals and the statuses. And this is where the Atlassian Home dashboards come into the play. So these boards unlock flexible reporting across your unique system of work. Yes, the system of work was also discussed on the Teams 24 even, where basically it's like a philosophy of bringing the development and bringing the business teams together. And it's saying it's leveraging the data from the Atlassian apps, including Jira, GSM, Goals, Confluence, all in one place. You'll also be able to report the data across your marketplace and third-party DevOps tools, bringing all work data into one central place. This is the plan on how it is supposed to look like. So we have the team selected, we have some of the projects selected, and we can actually see that there are multiple projects selected, not one. We also have the option to add the filter. There's also going to be an option to add the widget. I'm curious what the add widget option is. So I'm curious for that. But what we can actually see in here, recently completed work items, overdue work items that need attention. These are, I must say, the three most important metrics when it comes to tracking work. And this, for the management teams, will be something that they're going to say, now I can see the numbers. Because some of them are going to say, I don't care about how many of them are actually there, I care about the analytics. And there is the epic completion, and you can actually see this based on the story points and from the statuses in here as well. But also, this is the part where you can actually see the embedded Confluence page. And this is interesting because within this dashboard, you can actually see, well, the page itself in here. So that's interesting. So it's saying a new chart builder, dashboard level filters to allow customers to quickly adjust all cards on the dashboard and look at specific data parameters on the fly. Grid layout and adjustable width and height. Get more control over content placement and size. Okay, this I saw this in the community, and this was a frequent asked analogical question, and it was, can I adjust this part right here? And the answer was no, because it was hard coded. There were no options for someone to adjust the size of those things because not everyone is going to use this dashboard in the same way. That's great. There are also embeddable smart links. That's actually good. And from here, you can get the widgets. So that is it. So this is the part. This is what add widget means. Oh, this is going to be powerful. So there is embedded widgets with over 50 plus third-party apps. That's good. And it's saying these dashboards are accessible within the Atlassian Home. That's already being known. Then, for the duration of open beta, both free and standard edition customers will have access to the premium experience of these new dashboards. This is pretty great, and from here I can see what Atlassian is doing. Smart move. In addition to data from Atlassian apps, we're aiming to expand on dashboard extensibility on the following ways. So first is Forge app integration and teamwork graph externalization. Yeah, so it's saying to enable the Forge apps to be installed into the Atlassian Home. That's good. That's great, because then from your own widgets that you're going to be your own Forge apps, you're going to be able to actually use this and utilize this on your dashboard, so you can have your own custom metrics from your own apps. And there is also enabling the external developers to build connectors into the teamwork graph, so that there is an acceleration of customer system of work transformation. Built using Forge, these connectors will feed information from customers' external systems into teamwork graph. This would include the actual data, relationships, events, and actions, which can then be used to power dashboards and allow customers to build charts natively over the marketplace data. So far, it looks great. It is indeed pretty interesting. And some of the dashboards home, okay, this is more on how it would look like. If you ask me, this is a lot of data in here. And with this, I believe that the most issues that users are having, and this is a common problem, is the limited choice of the reports. The reports, we can talk about software projects, business projects, both of them. And yeah, I saw the people were complaining about this and saying that basically there are not a lot of reports out there, and rather they need to use the third party application in order to actually kind of solve this problem. But look at this. So you have work items by priority, work items by type versus the priorities, by the assignee, by the type, by prior work items, by the status. And then you have like this issue list. Then you have work items and type versus the priority and everything else. This is actually pretty great, and this can look pretty interesting. So I believe that there are going to be more options in here, right? So there is like a whole discussion on this. Of course, I'm not going to go through it, but this is the main thing that we can actually expect, and this is something that is on the way. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.